Hey buddies, now the advanced section is start from here. In this section, we are going to learn the advanced things in the or about the crunch tool. Okay, let me just to show you that what are the meaning of these signs first, because it is important to learn that we need to learn if we want to learn these advanced tool commands of the crunch, then we need to learn first these basics of this advanced section. Like anywhere if I type this sign like percentage sign, so in the place of percent sign it means that percent is equal to integers, and integers mean the number from 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. These numbers are included in integers. Now the next is this sign. Simply if you press shift plus 6 button together, so this sign is typed here automatically. Now what is the meaning of this sign actually? Let's test here. Crunch, then minimum length, then maximum, and I like to type here minus t, and then it's just a test, don't be confused. I tell you about it later. uh, all right, so let me clear the terminal. All right, now this sign means integer, and if you type here this sign like this, I mean this sign, let me type it again. If you type this sign, then this sign actually means the symbols. Like let me type here the symbols, these type of all symbols, and then you have at the rate option. If you type here at the rate option, it means that you want to type here the small letters of ABC, all the letters, like from A, B, C, D, and continue up to Z. All the ABC letters, but all the small letters. And in the place of at the rate, if you type here this sign like this comma, the comma means the capital letters of ABC, all capital letters. And then we have left, okay, all the characters are complete. Now we are going to learn that command. With the help of this command, we can create a custom dictionary that, let's say that, let me show you with the practical here. Type a crunch, and in this method you need to set the minimum and maximum length should be equal. Like if the minimum length is 4, then the maximum should also be 4. But it is not compulsory. Actually, it depends on your required keyword. Like, so in the place of minus s or minus p or any other, or minus f, you need to type here minus t, and then here you need to type the word. Like if I type here JSON, JAS, and last keyword, if I type here this percent sign and press enter, now it will be generate 10 keys, and in the place of percent sign you can see it generates 0 1 2 and up to 9. But if I remove this one, in the place of if I type this sign, so it will generate the symbols, all the symbols you can see here, not at the rate of hash, dollar, percent, and all the signs are included. Okay, if in the place of this sign I type the at the rate sign, then it generate the capital letters, the small letters, all small letters you can see here. It start from A, B, C, D, E, and end up to Z. Now remove the at rate, and at this time type here comma, press enter. So it use capital letters in the place of the comma. Here you can see start from capital A and end on capital Z. So this is the meaning of the these signs. Now if you want, if I guess that my hash password will be like this one, let me type there crunch crunch, then the minimum length like 6. Okay, this is not depend on your it is actually depend on your situation, on your keyword. Let's say I guess that my friend set the Wi-Fi password, and I'm going to crack this password. For that, I need to create a custom dictionary. But how I can create? So I guess that the first five keyword was will be this one, like uh army tage. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I guess that the first five keyword will be its favorite keyword, like Armitage. And then I don't know the next keyword here. Like I guess that the next keyword will be from the small letters. So I type here the @ sign, and the next sign again can be a small letters. I again type small a, and I guess that in the start of Armitage, it can be an integer number. So I need to type here the %sign, and I also guess that after the @sign in the last, it will be any symbol from this, or let's say I set it. Okay, I guess that the last keyword was from the capital letters, so I type here comma. And now this is complete. Now count this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Now you need to set the minimum length 12 and the maximum is also 12, and then type here -t and press space and then this word. Now press enter. Okay, I'm going to cancel it and go on the top of this line to show you the result. Here you can see in the place of @sign, it automatically build the small ABC letters. In the place of comma, it type the capital ABC letters, and in the place of %sign, it automatically generate the integers number which start from 0 and then so on. Okay, let's create a new one again. Like I want to create a keyword like U United, then United. Okay, let me guess a different word here, like Sigma rule. Sigma rule. So this is the password, but I don't know. Let's say that I don't know and I want to crack this. So I guess that I know that my friend set the Sigma here. Like I know that these keywords are available like GMA. I accidentally saw this, or I know that these keywords are definitely included in that. And let's say that if these are not included, I guess that the first keyword from the small letters. So I type here, and how many small letters, how many first keyword will be small letter from the small letters? I guess three. So I type three times @sign, and then I guess that the next two keywords or next one keyword will be from the capital letters. So I type comma. Then I guess the next will be from the sign from the symbols like @ or some other. So in the place of signs, I need to type here the sign, this one. And then in the last, I guess all would be from the numbers. So I type here number, and how many letters will be numbers? I guess three again. Okay, now I want to create a dictionary this type. You can add any number or keyword or capital letter, small letters, or any even any symbols between this in the start or in the last or anywhere, and you can do it without that numbers. Let me type here crunch, crunch. Then what is the length of this? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Minimum 8 and maximum is also 8. Then -t and press enter. Okay, this process is start, and you can see, let me go on to the top here. In the place of @sign, it use the small letter. In the place of comma, it use capital letter. In the place of this sign, it use symbols, and in the place of these %sign, it use the integers. Okay, so that's it. That how you can see that. Okay, and you can see here the examples like start from this keyword, start from here, and it ends up to this command, the area which I highlighted. These are the example of my this topic. You can see here I create a different type of words here like this one, and I use the different symbol and mixture of that ones. Now the next process is start, and that is start from this one. Like if I type here, okay, so if I tell you in an easy word, so I can say that I use the same example that I use in the start, like after the minus p, it consider every letter as a single letters, or like if I type here crunch, then the minimum length, let's set set the minimum length 6, maximum is also 6. Then I type here minus p and set type a numbers here like this one, and now press enter. And you can see here this dictionary and this type of words are include the combination of these all letters. But if I repeat this command again and separate these all and press enter, so this has the same meaning. Okay, but the twist is that, let me clear it again. The twist here is actually, okay, the twist is that if you type here same, repeat the same command, and I convert this all separate keys or separate alphabetic numbers and everything into a complete keyword separately, like good, then fine, Brody, then high, graph, Fanta, then 7 time, then 6, 6, 5, F, then 5, this number, and the 4, GT5, and press enter. Okay, you can see what is happening here. Actually, when I separate these all from each other, and I convert every keyword into a complete word, then it consider every keyword as a one. Like here you can see 4GT5. Let's find here 4GT5. So here you can see 4GT5. Next again 4GT5 available. Let's find here this keyword like Brody. Here you can see it is not separately available. It is everywhere it is available, but as a complete keyword. So here you can see still it is available. Good, time, 6, 6. So actually that is what that I, and this is the thing that I try to show you, that I try to teach you. Now let me clear the terminal. Okay, now the next command is this one. Let's learn this command. Type here crunch, and then you need to type the minimum length, then maximum length, and then if you type here minus q. Okay, why we type here minus q and what is happening here? Let me clear the terminal, and I need to create a word list here like ls. There are some list available here. Let me read this script like power in m.txt, cat, then power in m.txt. So this is empty. Let's read another file like privacy.sh. Okay, so these keywords are available in this dictionary. Okay, let's see. Let's suppose that I want to create a dictionary from from the words which are available in this file. So how can I do it? How can I do this one? So for that purpose, we use this method like crunch, minimum length like 8, maximum is also 8, then minus q, and you need to type here your file name like privacy or proxy ip.sh. Press enter. So it will be generate a dictionary from the keywords which are available in that specific file. Let me cancel it, and here you can see it generate the keyword from the specific files, specific word which are available in that dictionary. Okay, let's suppose that if you want to choose a specific word which are saved in a file separately in in a good manner, or in uh, let me show you with a practical, like nano uh, dict.txt or test.txt. You can rename it as whatever you want. I just type it test.txt, then press enter. Now let's suppose I type here some keyword like JSON, Anna, plug, things, goods, Nana, Jenny, Julia, and I add some other word like Sumera, car, gun, hacking, Brody. So I type some keywords in this file, but every keyword is available in the next line. In one line, only one word is available. Okay, complete one word. You cannot type like this, like Brody, then hi, and then uh, sunny. This complete line should be considered as a one word. So you need to type every keyword or every word. I'm sorry, not the keyword. You need to type every word in the next line. Now save this file, Control O, press enter and exit. What is the file name? Test.txt. Let me read it. Cat test.txt. This is. Now repeat the previous command here and replace this proxy IP.sh with the test.txt and press enter and cancel it. And here you can see it create a combination of a dictionary from these words like Anna, Brody, car, plug, good, gun, Jason, hacking, Jenny, and some other words. So this is the method that if you want to create a dictionary from a file, using word from a file, like you extract some keyword from a website or web page or from HTML file, then it use that keyword to create a dictionary, and every word considered as a one keyword. So now, okay, now let's jump to the next command, and the next command is this one. The next command is this one. Okay, what is the meaning of this minus b parameter? I hope you know that what is the meaning of minus. So actually, if you want to save the generated dictionary, then you need to use this minus o, and after that, then you need to type the file name in which file you want to save the dictionary words. But if you use this minus b parameter, so what is the meaning of it actually? Let me show you. If you type here any type of dictionary, let's suppose like this one. Okay, for this purpose I need to enter into the folder like mkdir, create a folder with the testing underscore dict or testing crunch and cd into this folder. Here now this folder is empty. Let me clear the file, create the dictionary here. Use here the same command crunch, then your minimum length like 4, maximum like 6, then minus t. You can use any command. You just need to add this minus b flag and then the second parameter in the last of that command. Okay, let's create a simple one. Minimum length should be 4, maximum 6, then minus t, and then like USA, country, USA, percent, comma, and tr, then at the rate. So I like to use this dictionary. Okay, your number length should be equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here 10 and here is also 10. Now press enter. Okay, so that's it. Now I need, if I want to save this file, then I simply type here minus o and then the file name like uh, d1.txt and my file will be generated. So type here ls, you can see here d1.txt. Let's read it, cat d1.txt, and here are the words available in this file. Clear it again, and at this time if you type repeat the previous command like this one. Okay, let's change the file name where you want to save this file. But now you need to do two things actually. Delete this whole command, and in the place of file name you need to type here in the capital letter start keyword -o, then type here start. All letters should be capital, and don't type here any other keyword except the start keyword. You need to type this here the same keyword start, then add space and then type here -b flag, but small b, not the capital B. Okay, what is the meaning of B? Actually, when you use this -b flag, so okay, so when we use -b parameter, it means that you want to create this dictionary, but into a small pieces. Like if you want to, after created the dictionary, you want to convert that bigger file of a dictionary into a small parts. So I want to create a 5 megabytes partitions. Like if I directly press enter here, like d2.txt. So let's see what will be the size of this dictionary, and also I need to replace here like but add the at and percent and here 14. Press enter. So it start generating dictionary, but which will be 65,370 megabyte. Let me reduce the numbers here or limit here 12 12. Now it will be generate the 83 megabytes dictionary file. Type ls here. So now repeat the previous command and delete this file name. In the place of file name, you need to type here start in the capital letters, add space and then type -b, and after the -b you need to type here the size of the parts. Like if I type here 5 MB or 10 MB, it means that it generate it convert the big file of dictionary, convert it to a small parts, and every parts is equal to maximum 10 megabytes. So press enter and let's see the result here. Crunch now generated. So ls, here you can see it create only one part. Let me expand the size of dictionary to create some more parts, like this sign, and here also 13 here, and I want to create the parts. Okay, I forget to type here MB. Now I want to create a 5 megabytes parts here, and here you can see it generating the parts. Every part is maximum up to 5 megabytes. Type ls, you can see the parts here. Let me delete these all. Okay, how can I delete these all? So for this I need to use the for loop, like for here I is equal to, okay, I have a one more example of for loop, like for I in dot txt, then rm minus r dollar I. Okay, let's discuss about this topic later. And I want to delete this all file. Okay, let's generate some more. If I type here ls minus la, you can say every file size is equal up to 5 megabytes. Now I want to create a dictionary, and I want that the maximum file size of that file should be 50 megabytes. Then press enter. And it starts generating again. And here you can see the result. I'm going to cancel it. ls minus la. Now these are the 50 megabytes file. Type ls. Now you can see the size is double than the previous files. So this is the method. Now we have left only one method. Let's jump to on it. And that is, if you want to create a dictionary but you want to save that file into the form of a zip, then how can you do this? Remove the -b parameter, and here you need to type here again the start, not the file name. Type here start and then type here -z and then add space and then type 7z and press enter. So it generate a dictionary and save into in the form of a zip file. Let me cancel it and generate a small dictionary. 11, press enter. It can take some time to complete it because it is up to 2 gigabytes. This file size is up to 2 gigabytes. 18% complete generating output. 55% complete. Okay, the current 100% complete generating this output. Now let me see here. Okay, so it saved the file with the name of this. You need to simply press enter here. Items to compress one. 1% plus this one. Then 2%. Okay. Okay, simply cancel this one and create a new one with the minimum size. Like here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 and then also here 5. Press enter. Okay, so it generated first and then convert into the 7z file. Type ls. Here you find this one. This is final. These files are not final because we cancel these all files. But this is final. So I hope you learn that how you can create a dictionary and then save into the form of zip file. Okay, so that's it for this video. You learned that how to use the crunch tool to generate a dictionary file. Now let me go back and delete this folder. Like, what is the folder name? Test crunch. Here, test crunch. rm-r testing crunch. Press enter. And it is deleted now. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much guys. See you in the next lecture.